What are the three kasmes that you actually live by in your marriage?
Some is learning, some is something that you want to take back with you, and some.
I've always noticed you are most alive when you're with your friends.
If somebody walks in a room and I feel good, there are butterflies, you've received it all.
But you have become what you have become with that parentage. वो वाली journey बताइए जो दूसरे लोगों ने नहीं सुनी.
बहुत important, जिसके बिना मैं नहीं रह सकता, और वो है entertainment.
What is it that keeps you and Karishma together the way it does?
I think number one is friendship. अगर दोस्त नहीं बने ना, तो ये चलेगी नहीं.
That how can we create and keep strong friendships?
मैंने उसको बोला था कि मैं तेरे को एक perspective देता हूँ. मुझे यूज कर रहे हैं, तो फिर मैं भी उनको यूज करूँ.
Those moments of vulnerability. What did you tell yourself?
So what do you see here?
Full circle.
Right?
Yeah.
What I see here is a white blank paper.
आपको कोई भी एक ऐसा मोमेंट याद है या जब आपको लगता है that yeah, at this point my life came full circle? If you've ever danced to Chittiya Kalaiya Ve or Baby Doll, which, let's face it, who hasn't, you already know the magic of this man I'm going to introduce to you. He is one half of the powerhouse of Meet Brothers, which literally takes the whole country by storm with its music. Manmeet Singh. The first time I met this man, I got this vibe like, so familiar, so nice. Could this person be a soulmate, a friend, someone I've known before? I spent some more time with him and then I realized that, wait, hold on. Every woman will feel this way with him because there's something about him that will make you feel heard, seen, validated, understood. So I'm not going to keep this enigma with myself for too long because you deserve to know Manmeet Singh inside out. Manmeet, welcome.
Thank you, and you've given me the introduction I was looking for since quite some time. I was telling my team that I need an introduction, somebody, telling people who I am, what I am, and who better than you, Kavya. This was perfect. I'm going to just edit it, and this is going to be my reel, and I'll pin it, and I'll want everybody to see, yeah, कोई मेरे बारे में पूछे, तू कौन है? मैं ये हूँ.
Yeah, मैं
I'm
सबका
just kidding.
soulmate
Thank you
हूँ.
so much for having me. Actually, it's a fan moment for me because I don't know, I haven't, not many people know that I'm a huge Kavya fan. And it's also because I think she's got the most amazing perspectives you'll ever hear. And they're backed by logic, knowledge, gift of God. She's blessed. And, it doesn't happen very often that I have questions and I find people who can answer them. She's one of them. So I think it should be the other way around. Actually, I should be doing a podcast and I should invite her. But I think I'm the chosen one.
Today you are. You've always been special. And I guess वो आपके म्यूजिक में भी दिखता है. Okay, जो whatever it is that you create, you spread happiness just through the work that you do, and you have the most infectious laughter. I know that sometimes I'm having a bad day, and I'll just call you, and you'll crack up over something. You'll crack me up over something, and that's it. That's therapy.
Well, I'm not sure the people who are watching a comedy film around me feel the same. Because in theaters, I've actually had people, like Harmeet and me both, it's pretty ridiculous the way we laugh. So it always happened that पहले तो first reaction is they look back कि ये कौन है. फिर then be like, अच्छा ये तो वो लग रहे हैं. And then be like, ये पागल हैं. And then they'll be like, it's happened so many times, वो उठ के चले जाते हैं. Because they can't take it, because हमारी कुर्सियाँ टूट जाती हैं. We just don't know how to laugh actually. We just go crazy. Yeah. Yeah.
But Manvi, there is a certain clarity that you have. A clarity of thought. मुझे बहुत बार ऐसा लगा है that if there was a male version of Kavya Sidani, it would be you. Okay, literally, because जो answers आपको शायद नहीं मिले, मेरे साथ मिले, जो जवाब मेरे पास नहीं थे, I found them in your conversation.
Really? ये तो नहीं बताया आपने कभी मुझे?
अब some things I have to keep to myself, right? But I have to tell you, I've met Karishma, and both of you all are so lovely that you are one of my most favorite couples. If I was ever going to write a book on couples, it would be on the two of you because you all have the most amazing conversations. Okay?
And you are my daughter's most favorite person in the world.
Is it?
She runs to you more than she comes to us. And I think I take great pride in telling my friends that, all three of us, she's our psychologist. And I think every human, every soul, if you were born, you need somebody like you. इसमें मोस्टली यू नो वो एक टैबू है हमारी, इतनी कंडीशनिंग इतनी है हमारी कंट्री में हर चीज़ की, दैट पीपल जस्ट थिंक कि अरे यार कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी। प्रॉब्लम तो सब में ही है और प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ ही पैदा हुए हैं हम, तो पहले वो एक्सेप्ट करना ज़रूरी है दैट हम सब में प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, यू नो, सब डिनाइल में जी रहे हैं। So the point is that you recognize that you alone are not enough. So you need somebody who probably has learned more, is well-read, understands more, has better perspectives, has a better gift of gab. So I recognize that. My wife Karishma did, and you know she's with you, and the way you take care of her mental health, the way you take care of my daughter's mental health, it's amazing. जो मैं नहीं कर पाया वो आप कर रहे हो. So God has sent you in my life to take care of things where I probably failed or maybe I was not equipped to do it because nobody is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we all
One
need
person can't do
somebody.
it.
Yeah, we can't. We can't.
Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you. लेकिन ये जो मनमीत सिंह है ना, ये बचपन से ये मनमीत सिंह तो नहीं था, कहीं पे कोई मोंटी रहा होगा शायद।
मोंटी आज भी है, नजर नहीं आ रहा आपको?
मुझे उस मोंटी के बारे में बताइए। How did that start? And मैंने ये बहुत बार सुना है आपसे that आप अपने पापा को बहुत याद करते हैं। And I've also heard that he was a very hard taskmaster.
Yeah.
But you have become what you have become with that parentage.
Sure.
वो वाली जर्नी बताइए जो दूसरे लोगों ने नहीं सुनी।
See, I think my father was a very great mix of, like he was obviously he was a very short-tempered man, and he could just probably he didn't care if I was with friends or whoever is around me. If he lost it, he'll just use his own language and he'll tell me what he wants to. But I think I always saw more than that. He was one of the most compassionate people I'd ever met in my life. He always lived for others. I remember from morning 7 to 11 every day, 4 hours was for him to sit in Gwalior. We were from a small town. And he was very well connected with everybody. So people would come, random people. We had no idea who they were. They would just come and they'll tell him, ye problem hai. And he would just call people. He would just go up, walk up to people and he would fight. He will take, I mean, you know, there's a limit that you can do for others. He'll go to any limit and he doesn't even know you. So I saw that side and he was a very loving man. So, and I was very expressive, you know. I think it was a soul connect with him. Even when like he was 72, just before he died, I would hug him, I would keep kissing him, and he was like, "Kya kar raha hai, teri daadi chub rahi hai," and all that. And my friends used to say, "Yaar, we've never seen this side of like a 40-year-old guy kissing his father's face like this. You're hugging him and sleeping like a kid." I said, "Why does this stop? And why should it stop? Why is there this gap?" And most of my guy friends, they don't express to their fathers. They don't say I love you to their parents. They don't kiss them. They don't hug them. I don't understand how can you stop yourself from hugging or kissing your parents because they're the best thing that ever happens to you, right? I don't care. Even today, I can embarrass my mother in front of her friends because I won't leave her hand. Her hands are so beautiful. I'll keep kissing them. It's because she's the same mother. Whether I was a kid or whether I'm today, nothing changes. I mean, I've realized that, I don't know why, like you said, that wo Monty kya tha, ye Monty kya hai. Honestly, not much has changed. Okay, I've always been very enthusiastic about everything. I've always thought more about, अगर मैं ये करूँगा तो उस सामने वाले पे क्या होगा, अगर मैं ये सोचूंगा तो उस पे क्या असर होगा. The only thing is कि हम ये नहीं सोचते. हम पहले ये सोचते हैं कि मुझे ये करना है, बट हम ये नहीं सोचते इसके करने के रिजल्ट्स क्या हैं. बिकॉज ज़्यादातर मैंने देखा है कि आप बिना सोचे जब कोई चीज़ करते हैं, it somewhere harms you as well because you've not really, when you start thinking about others कि इसका दूसरे पे क्या असर होगा, तो कहीं ना कहीं you also get a direction to go. अच्छा ठीक है यार, ये सही नहीं है, you go here. वो शुरू से मेरे अंदर अभी भी है और वो रहता है. So not much has changed. I still love my friends. हाँ, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है लाइफ में, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, जिसके बिना मैं नहीं रह सकता, और वो है एंटरटेनमेंट. मुझे मज़े चाहिए 24 घंटे. पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ तो भी चाहिए. अगर up to like something majorly wrong with my knee right now, I don't care. Like I need to enjoy. So even if I'm bedridden, I need some entertainment. So that's what Karishma also says कि आपको हर वक्त मज़े चाहिए. मैंने कहा हाँ चाहिए. छोटी लाइफ है, मुझे मज़े चाहिए. And like I find you very entertaining, because also entertaining because आप जो बातें करते हो मैंने कभी सुनी नहीं है, किसी ने बोली नहीं मुझे. So मैंने कहा यार ये बहुत अमेजिंग है. मेरे को लगता था कि the way I look at life. So मुझे लगता था कि कुछ अलग पर्सपेक्टिव्स है मेरे. कंडीशनिंग कैसी है. लेकिन आपको मैं बहुत कमाल की चीज़ बताता हूँ, आप गूगल करो आपको नहीं मिलेगी. ये पर्सपेक्टिव आपने पता नहीं सोचा कि नहीं सोचा, बट मैंने तो सोचा है. एंड दिस इज लाइक कोई दुनिया में कोई इंसान कहीं आया और उसने पूरी दुनिया के ऊपर एक जादू कर दिया. एंड वी ऑल स्टार्टेड लुकिंग इन अ सर्टेन वे. एंड टेक्निकली, लॉजिकली, बायोलॉजिकली उसका कोई सेंस ही नहीं है. ओके, थिंक अबाउट इट नाउ. हम सब गाने बनाते हैं दिल के ऊपर, दिल, मेरा दिल ले गई, दिल तोड़ दिया, दिल है कि मानता नहीं. Even in English songs, it's all about the heart. And whenever something goes wrong, you're saying, you broke my heart. Now, the heart is just a pumping device in a body.
That's right.
It has no feelings. Whatever is happening in your limbic system, in your head, right? So, basically, सारा जो emotion है, love है, वो तो सारा यहाँ पे हो रहा है ना. लेकिन credit किसको दे रहे हैं? दिल को. दिल तो, there are so many people जो आज pacemakers के साथ जी रहे हैं, उनके heart transplant हो जाते हैं. तो but they feel all the same. So it's just a pumping device. And just because वो यहाँ धड़कता है और यहाँ आवाज़ आती है, so हमें लगता है सब यहाँ हो रहा है. हम सारे गाने दिल पे बना रहे हैं, हम सारा क्रेडिट दिल को दे रहे हैं, और हो सब यहाँ पे रहा है. हाँ? कि कौन हमें बेवकूफ़ बना गया? और हम अभी भी बने चले जा रहे हैं. हम दिल के ऊपर गाने बना रहे हैं. क्यों? दिल का तो कोई रोल ही नहीं है इसमें. Right? So this is how we are. And this is how I look at life. कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है?
Your perspective is also very entertaining.
But आपने सुना है कभी पहले?
No, never heard it before. How has fame not changed you actually?
Fame changed my life a lot. It didn't change me. And that's what ideally should happen, right? Change your life मतलब कि आप one bedroom में हम she started from we were in a business family. वहाँ से we decided कि music करना है. And we were obviously from a very well-off family because dad का liquor का business था. And वो मैंने भी किया 4 साल. But then we realized कि music is something we want to do. And then we came to Mumbai. और वो डैड हर बात पे बोलते थे क्या हो रहा है, what's happening. So we realized यार कि जब तक वहाँ से पैसे लेंगे ना, ये ताने चलते रहेंगे. And rightfully so because he had a massive business. And उन्होंने कहा ये दोनों ही चले गए अब क्या होगा. So then we stopped taking money from him. So then we had to move to an apartment जिसका रेंट था 6,000 पे in a flat. And then we started a life from there. पहली गाड़ी जो खरीदी थी हम दोनों ने बहुत मेहनत करके, एक शो मिला था, 2, 3, then we bought a Matisse. Okay, that was the first car. And that's how it started in Mumbai. And then obviously, because we were together, so it was easier. And then slowly things started happening. And then eventually, so what changes is basically luxuries aa jati hain. There's so many things you want to do for others you're able to do because you have the means now. So life changes in that way, but didn't change me because I think even now I may enjoy that, but I'm not really addicted to it. I can live without it. I can be anywhere, wherever. I mean, it's just the same for me. I don't see it in any other way. Abhi hamari reunion hui thi school mein, and all the friends had come, and most of them met me after a long time. This was like 2 years ago. They met me after 25 years, and they were like, "Yeah, most of us have changed. Our wives are saying that, look at you, aap aise, you behave like that, and you behave like that. Look at him. Ye to celebrity hai, ya singer hai, and how come he's still so, like the way he was with you?" So मैंने कहा यार it's very simple because what I do is a skill that you have a different skill. Everyone, like God gives one skill to everyone, right? So वो skill जो है वो मेरा music था और उसमें मुझे I did well in it, but I don't see it as an ultimate success of life because I think success has to be it can't be just because professionally you've done well, and that's how the whole society looks at you कि आपने बहुत पैसा कमा लिया तो यार ये बहुत सक्सेसफुल आदमी है, चाहे उसको नींद ही नहीं आ रही है, सो ही नहीं पा रहा है, चाहे बीमारियां हैं उसको, चाहे उसकी जो बीवी है वो उससे खुशी नहीं है या छोड़ के भाग गई है, बच्चे रिलेट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट इवन रिस्पेक्टिंग द फादर और द मदर, फ्रेंड्स आपके पीछे उल्टी सीधी बातें बोल रहे हैं आपको, और कोई दिक्कत है तो आप कोई देयर इज नोबडी हु इज कमिंग टू हेल्प यू. सो कहीं पे भी सक्सेस नहीं है, एक ही डायमेंशन में सक्सेस है. एंड व्हाई डू वी कॉल इट सक्सेस? इट्स नॉट. So when I go, whenever I go to like a college to perform or concert, there's always media there and they're like, आप इतने successful आदमी. मैंने कहा ये आपको कैसे पता कि मैं successful आदमी हूँ? अब ये कह सकते हैं मैं एक successful music director हूँ, क्योंकि आपको मेरी लाइफ तो पता ही नहीं है, तो successful कैसे हूँ मैं? क्या मेरी माँ को लगता है कि मैं बेस्ट बेटा हूँ? क्या मेरी वाइफ को लगता है कि ये बहुत ही अच्छे हस्बैंड है? क्या मेरी बेटी को लगता है he's very involved and a very nice father? क्या आपको लगता है कि that I'm a good friend or a patient? क्या मेरे ड्राइवर को लगता है कि मेरे साथ बहुत बढ़िया आदमी है? उनको फर्क पड़ता है कि आज मैं खुश हूं या मैं दुखी हूं? उनको फर्क पड़ता है कि मेरे बच्चे कौन है, मैं कहाँ रहता हूं, मैं कहाँ से आता हूं, मैं कौन हूं? मेरा जो वॉचमैन है लिफ्ट का, वो मेरे से पूछता है आपके पैर का क्या हाल है, मतलब उसको मेरा कंसर्न क्यों है? क्योंकि मेरा उससे कनेक्ट है. एंड मोस्टली हम हर किसी को करेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, कनेक्ट तो है ही नहीं. सो हाउ कैन यू करेक्ट बिफोर यू कनेक्ट?
Correct.
So ये चीजें इतनी simple हैं, but इन्हीं चीज और and ideally life is पे based है, but I don't know why we don't see it. It's so simple. We don't look at it like that, isn't it?
The balance that is there in your life, no, that is one thing that I'm personally jealous of. That how you manage, and I have personally seen, you're a great husband, you're a great father, you're a fantastic friend, you're a fantastic son. The only complaint I possibly have is you don't check your WhatsApp for 3 months. But besides that, really, ये जो आप इतनी आसानी से बोल रहे हो ना that okay everything has to be balanced, ये balance करना आसान नहीं है. What are the conscious things that you actually keep in mind when you are saying कि नहीं भाई काम इतने बजे बंद, इतने बजे मैं क्रिकेट जा रहा हूँ, ये इतने बजे बंद, इतने बजे मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. How do you do it?
Actually बहुत आसान है, honestly, and it's a trick. I mean, it's not a trick for me, but it could be a trick for you or not for you, but anybody who wants to understand कि how do you do so many things and you still, you know, feel great about everything. I think it's about intensely loving each and everything that you do. You know, Sam was asking me yesterday that how is it that, you know, you got hurt and then this cricket stopped for you, which, you know, you were so crazy about, and you're the same. It does. I said, because Sam, what I do is that if you know, whatever I'm doing from 7 to 9, it's something that I love. It's something that I've planned in a way that it's very entertaining for me. So I love that. 9 to 11 is something crazier. Now, if I'm here with you, I was looking forward to this because I know that, you know, we'll be chatting. So it's just so easy to love everything that you do equally. What happens is कि अगर एक problem है तो आप पूरा दिन उसी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. एक life में issue चल रहा है उसी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. We don't switch off and we just, you know, we're stuck there. The trick is that you need to switch off and switch on and switch off and switch on. And I do it multiple times in a day. And that's why nothing affects me. When we got we got all the awards in 2016 for Chittiyan Kalaiyan, which was 10 awards in a year, I swear I didn't feel anything when I went on the stage. I feel more when you know, like today I have a cricket match where I won't be playing, but I'll be there with the boys, and I'm so excited about that. And sometimes when I used to win those games, or probably even lose sometimes, but because we were together and having fun, I think I felt more than that going on the stage and getting that award. And sometimes when we love a song that we've created, it doesn't work, it's just a flop, it doesn't affect me at all. I mean, you just wonder कि क्यों नहीं चला? So probably you've still not learned enough that what will work and what won't. Actually, that's beyond you, what will work and what won't. But you still want to learn from it, right? So I've realized कि ना तो ज़्यादा परेशानी से परेशानी हो रही है, ना तो ज़्यादा excitement में excitement हो रही है. It's all the same. I'm just enjoying life. I love everything.
You're passionately present in everything that you are doing.
Yes.
I love that.
And I think that's how everyone should be. हम अपने सारे eggs एक ही basket में डालते चले जाते हैं. I think every human needs to find and figure more dimensions. और हर इंसान में होती हैं. हर इंसान में dimensions हैं. But we just get, I think it's the emotions that आधी दुकान बंद कर देते हैं आपकी वो. You're just caught up in one moment and you make it so big in your head. वो actually इतना बड़ा है ही नहीं. So many things to you presuming. And when they actually happen, you're like, yeah, actually we got through. Yeah, it wasn't that big.
It wasn't that big.
It's all happening here.
Yes. It's all happening there.
और जब you know, जितनी भी उल्टी चीजें हो रही हैं,
जी.
उसमें तो हम बोलते हैं दिमाग खराब है.
बिल्कुल.
और जब अच्छी हो रही है तो सब क्रेडिट इधर. तो ये पूरा जो गड़बड़ चल रही है ना, somebody needs to fix it, and I think you're one of the key people.
You need to make more songs on Dimag, then we'll know.
It's on my mind now कि मैं नहीं, फिर लोगों को लगेगा इसका खराब हो गया. क्योंकि कितने लोगों को समझाओगे आप?
मनमीत, आपका एक सुपर पावर है, which I've always noticed. You are most alive when you are with your friends. Okay, I'm sure Karishma somewhere must be envious of it. Your daughter somewhere must be envious of it. आज ना लोगों को दोस्त बनाने में दिक्कत होती है, और अगर दोस्त हैं तो ये नहीं जानते कि ये मेरा दोस्त मेरे लिए सही है, क्यों मेरे साथ है, रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, मेरे पीछे उसका क्या चल रहा है. What if you could just give us 3 things that how can we create and keep strong friendships? The world will be less lonely. But I need to hear that from you, because I have not seen anybody else have such successful friendships like you have.
Yeah. I'll try and put it in the right words. But I think the most important factor in all of this is that, so okay, I'll give you an example. So when we passed out from college and then we were living in Andheri, Lokhandwala, so a lot of friends that used to be in our house all the time. Okay, it was like every night. कुछ के तो पेरेंट्स बोलते थे कि हम खाना भिजवा दें, like they don't come home. So one of my friends asked me, यार ये जितने भी लोग हैं, these people come to your house every night और ये लोग सब फिर घर पे होते हैं और ये लोग वहीं पे पार्टियां चल रही हैं and you both brothers are hosting it. ये लोग तो नहीं बुलाते तुम्हें, तो ये तो तुम्हें यूज कर रहे हैं. So मैंने उसको बोला, देख मैं तेरे को एक पर्सपेक्टिव देता हूँ. मैंने कहा एक्चुअली अगर बात यूज की नहीं है, I said firstly अगर वो मुझे यूज कर रहे हैं तो फिर मैं भी उनको यूज कर रहा हूँ. तो इज लाइक कैसे? मैंने कहा देख भाई ऐसा है कि अगर मैं लेट्स से किसी को मुझे घर बुलाना है, ठीक है, फर्स्टली जब आप किसी को घर बुलाते हैं, यू नो, सो सारा एफर्ट दूसरे का हो जाता है, बिकॉज आप यूर सिटिंग in comfort of your own place, your own home. आप खाना जो बन रहा है वो it's your choice. क्या खाना बन रहा है? आप जब लोगों को बुलाते हैं, so now imagine if I have to go to somebody's house, I have to get ready, first I have to think मेरे को पहनना क्या है, and then I have to go down, फिर मैं गाड़ी जाके वहाँ पहले उसके वॉचमैन से लड़ूंगा, भाई पार्किंग कहाँ करूँ, फिर ऊपर जाऊँगा मैं, फिर वो मुझे क्या खाना खिलाएगा मुझे पता नहीं, उसके बाद वो कहाँ बिठाएगा मुझे पता नहीं, उसके यहाँ और कौन लोग हैं वो मैं कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता. So my evening I can't control. So that's not entertainment for me. So if I'm calling them home, or if I can afford it, and if they're, you know, that, so I think ये मेरा entertainment है. It's bringing so much joy to me. So I'm worried about that. I'm bothered about that. कि it's bringing so much joy to me. साथ में मैं expectations लगा दूंगा कि मैंने बुलाया तो तू भी बुला. So firstly वो पूरा जो transaction है ना, वो खत्म ही हो गई वहाँ. पहली बात, आपने ही पहला स्टेप गलत लिया है. तो जब आपने पहला स्टेप गलत लिया है तो आप दूसरे में आप क्या ढूंढोगे कि ट्रस्ट फैक्टर होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए, ये मेरे लायक है. इट्स अबाउट, आई थिंक फर्स्टली वी नीड टू सी इट राइट, दैट इफ आई एम डूइंग एनीथिंग फॉर यू, पहला रिवॉर्ड तो मुझे दे दिया. दैट्स हाउ गॉड हैज मेड दिस वर्ल्ड. इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल दैट इफ आई प्लान टू डू समथिंग फॉर यू, इट मेक्स मी फील गुड. सो आई ऑलरेडी रिसीव समथिंग इवन बिफोर आई हैव डन इट फॉर यू. सो पहला बॉक्स टिक हो गया कि भैया कुछ रिसीव हो गया. अब इसके बाद जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं ना, दैट्स बियॉन्ड व्हाट आई शुड बी एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम लाइफ, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी रिसीव, गॉड हैज गिवन मी जॉय, एंड देयर इज जॉय से ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल चीज क्या है मुझे बताओ?
Nothing.
एग्जैक्टली. सो जब जॉय मिल गया तो उसके बाद की जो भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, whether it is with your friends, whether it is with your partner, whether it's with your boyfriend, girlfriend, कि तूने वो नहीं किया, अरे यार, if somebody walks in a room and I feel good, there are butterflies, you've received it all. Now you want that person to be कि तू ऐसा कर, तू किसी और से बात मत कर, ये तू किससे चैट कर रहा है, तूने मेरे अलावा खुशी कैसे ले ली? So it's so messed up, यार. You need to see it clearly. If I love you, okay, let's decode this. Now, let's say that Samaira, like I want to see her happy. So as parents, we do our best to bring whatever we can, you know, and make our kids happy, right? So तेरे को क्या चाहिए बेटा? चल, I'll bring you this. तेरे को क्या चाहिए? Eventually, even if tomorrow, you know, when she gets married or when if she has a boyfriend, so you're like, तू खुश है ना? But the moment this turns and it becomes about a romantic relationship, एक अलग entitlement आ जाती है कि ये exclusive, ये जो receiving और giving है, ये सिर्फ तेरी खुशियां मेरे थ्रू ही रूट होनी चाहिए. ये एक ही नजर जो है कि जैसे पेरेंट्स के लिए भी वही है, पापा मम्मी जो भी चाहिए I'll bring for you, even for your siblings, your friends, भाई तेरे को चाहिए मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ, whatever you want. Suddenly partner की आती नजर चेंज हो गई, because now ये exclusive, and this is all conditioning. I'll tell you where I started from. I was a very possessive boyfriend and a husband. That's because that's what I'd seen as a child. तो मैंने वही देखा था कि भैया दुनिया ऐसी है, ये this is how men are supposed to be, this is how women are supposed to be. They're supposed to serve the men and the kids and the house. इनका काम ये है, men का काम है जाओ काम करके लाओ पैसे. This is what we were taught.
The conventional, traditional.
हाँ, ये जिसने भी बनाया मुझे लगता है कि बड़ा ही एक मेल सेंटर्ड किसी ने थॉट प्रोसेस है इसमें, because you know somewhere that women can do far more than a man can do. पहले तो कोई इसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा, जो एक्सेप्ट करेंगे उनमें हिम्मत नहीं है बोलने की, और कुछ लोगों को तो समझ ही नहीं आता कि ये फैक्ट है, बिकॉज इट अब तो प्रूवन है ना. लुक इट यू, देखो यार, आप you're like a profession, you're doing so well, okay, you take care of your parents, you take care of your husband, kids and their parents. अभी मैं एक रियलिटी शो जज कर रहा हूँ, वहाँ पे एक लड़की है जो जिसने पार्टिसिपेट किया, शी इज अ वेरी गुड सिंगर, शी इज अ मैरिड वुमन, उसके 2 बच्चे हैं. हर एपिसोड में बात होती है कि इनके हस्बैंड और इनकी मदर इन लॉ ने बोला कि बेटा तू जा, हम घर संभालेंगे, और हर बार उनके हस्बैंड के लिए तालियां बज रही हैं. मैंने भी तारीफ करी, बट फिर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ ये गलत कर रहे हैं. फिर मैंने बोला यार हम तालियां क्यों बजा रहे हैं, और अगर उसके लिए बजा रहे हैं तो हम जितने मर्द हैं, हमारी जो वाइफ्स घर पे बैठी हैं, जो वो हमको एम्पावर कर रही हैं, उनके लिए तालियां क्यों नहीं बज रही हैं? ये कौन सा नोशन, प्री कंसीव नोशन है कि जस्ट बिकॉज एक मर्द ने बोल दिया कि भैया मैं बच्चों का ख्याल रखूंगा, तू जा, तो सोसाइटी पागल हो रही है, हर एपिसोड में तालियां बज रही हैं. आज हम सब जितने वहां पे बैंड में 15 मेंबर्स बैठे हैं, जजेस हैं, हम लोग हैं, देयर आर 50 odd men in that room. How do you think we are sitting there?
Because the women are taking care of it.
And themselves and their parents and the house and the maids and the servants and our emotions and their emotions and their PMSing and from everything, whatever, their cycles and everything else. So उनके लिए तालियां क्यों नहीं बज रही हैं? ये इतना बड़ा क्यों बार-बार क्यों बोला जा रहा है यार? इसके हस्बैंड ने बोला मैं बच्चों का ख्याल रखूंगा, तालियां बजाओ. We need to change this narrative. This is messed up completely. And I thankfully came to Mumbai. I saw मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, ये तो वाइफ्स के साथ, गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ ये लोग मिल बांट के काम कर रहे हैं. ये तो उसको बोल रहा है कि तू रुक जा, तू जा, मैं करता हूँ, मैं संभालता हूँ. मैंने कहा वो जाएगी और ये संभालेगा. मैंने कहा ये कुछ, आई थिंक ये लोग क्रैक हैं शायद. That's how it started. Because obviously I could not relate to what I'd seen, to what every North Indian and most of our, country kids have seen कि भैया घर कैसे चलते हैं. But social media changed it all. कैसे? Exposure. Women of the country जिनके आगे एक पर्दा डाल दिया गया था कि आपका काम ये है, आपका काम ये है, आपका काम ये है. उन्होंने जब सोशल मीडिया देखा और जब देखा दुनिया कैसे चल रही है, तो उन्होंने कहा अरे भाई साहब, किसी ने तो बहुत बड़ा बेवकूफ बना दिया हमारा. Because they are far more intelligent, they are far more focused. Okay, so now this is coming out of experience. All the women and the girls that we work with, they are so focused. They'll say exactly what they mean. They will not, mostly होता है ना कि यहाँ से यहाँ का जो सफर है ना, इसके बीच में 80% things go wrong. It should not be like that. जो यहाँ है वही यहाँ होना चाहिए. Even if you're somebody comes, probably you're meeting somebody and you know that you want to pitch an idea or you want business from this person. You're saying all that you know that it's not possible. You're just saying it and you know it's not possible. How is it going to help you or him? Because eventually you'll end up in a messier situation. So that's what I realized. Most of the women that we've worked around, वो अभी तक उनके अंदर वो layers आई नहीं है, क्योंकि maybe this is a first lot of women who have come out to work because अभी तक तो काम ही नहीं करने देते थे. So they are not that messed up. They're still very much the way they are कि जो है सर ये मैं ये कितना कर पाऊंगी, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, I'm sorry. और emotions जो भी है वो चेहरे पे आ रहा है. We men have learned, we have the art के अंदर गुस्सा आ रहा है, मेरे को चिढ़ मच रही है, but मैं कह रहा हूँ सर I love you sir, आप तो कमाल हो. ये जो आर्ट है ना, ये अभी तक मैंने इतनी लड़कियों में नहीं देखी है, because they're far more transparent and they're straightforward. So it's so coming back to from where we started that it's not just about friends. If you understand the fact that it's your journey and you are receiving everything and whatever I do before that I receive. For example, parenting की बात करते हैं, okay? मैं कितने पेरेंट्स को मैंने देखा है बोलते हुए कि हमने पाल पोस के बड़ा किया है, हमने तुम्हें ये किया है, and this is how you do it, this is how you repay. अरे भैया, let's start from the very start. तुमने बच्चा पैदा किया ही क्यों है? बच्चे ने आके सपने में बोला था मुझे पैदा कर दो? नहीं. It was your need. You wanted something more from life. Or whatever it was. Whether it was out of an emotional need, whether it was out of a physical outcome of something that you wanted badly, or whether it was the need of the man that I'm creating so much. Who's going to take this forward? You see what we're doing. हम अपनी जो भी 70, 80, 90 साल की जिंदगी में हमारा प्लान 150 साल का है कि ये फैक्ट्री सेट करूंगा तो बच्चा आएगा, ये आगे लेके जाएगा. वो पैदा भी नहीं हुआ है, अभी हुआ है और आपने उसका प्लान पहले ही बना दिया. Without really wanting to find out वो आया क्यों है दुनिया में. So this is how we do it. So if we make it very simple, like I told my daughter that you decide what you want to do. My job is to provide whatever means जितना मेरे बस में है. उसके बाद it's your journey, your call. We have created a music factory, okay? And she I think she had it in her. She's a very good musician and she wants to do music. But it doesn't matter. Tomorrow she decides, Papa, whatever you want to do, it's your life. So I think that perspective is very important, that it's all about what you receive and not give. And then you stop expecting and everything else falls in place.
I think what you are so beautifully trying to say is कि एक जो waterfall होता है ना, उसका काम है पानी देना lake को. The waterfall is a parent, okay? And the lake is a child, it's the receiver. अब the lake cannot be expected कि भाई तुम भी thank you बोलने के लिए पानी ऊपर चढ़ाओ, right? You have to pass it on to the fields.
This is Kavya for you. जो चीज़ मैंने आधे घंटे में बोली, इसने 1 मिनट बोल के खत्म कर दी. That's why I'm a big fan of hers. It's all. मैंने आपको ये दिखाने के लिए किया.
Thank you for that beautiful thing. ये किस्सा मुझे पता है आपकी लाइफ का, where you were this whole possessive husband and traditional husband, and you found a wife who was very accomplished, Miss India, model, you know, more successful than you at a certain point of time, wasn't she? Very successful.
No, more successful than me. She was a star. I was a starter. I was nobody.
और I know that Karishma is crazy about you. उसके हाथ में एक tattoo है संगिनी, which always means हमेशा together, you know, and she's still like that.
I think she was just born to just love, and that's what she wants. She's really not seeked anything more than that, and that's what now I keep pushing her. Please, you know, because when we got married, she gave up everything because that's how it was, and I kept telling her, "Mat kar yaar, you will be very successful." She had signed 1 or 2 films, and she was Miss India and everything. She was every fourth day. She was in Bombay Times, and those days to be on Bombay Times was a huge thing, right? So, but she said, "I don't care. I just want you." So, pata nahi why? I mean, I just couldn't put sense into her head. But anyway, I think that's how she is. So, uska tattoo bhi wahi hai. It's about companionship. It's about love, and I learned it from her, by the way. Very amazing thing I'll tell you about her. She was obsessed with me.
She is.
I don't know that. But she was. In a way that from morning to evening, it was all about me. मैं अगर travel कर रहा हूँ, तो जब तक मैंने वहाँ पे lunch नहीं किया है, ये खाएगी नहीं. जब तक मैं सोया नहीं हूँ, ये सोएगी नहीं. और ये मेरी t-shirt लेके सोती थी, like that, because she wanted to smell me. Started from that, okay? And eventually, whenever I always had a lot of women friends. Because see, मुझे लगता है कि मैं अंदर से कहीं ना कहीं एक औरत ही हूँ. क्योंकि I'll explain why. Because जितनी emotions मेरे अंदर आते हैं और जितनी sensitivity से मैं सोच सकता हूँ about things, मुझे rarely मेरे जो even the boys around me, you know, they're like कि तू क्या यार तू, या तो मैंने उनसे ज़्यादातर ये सुना है, अबे तू छोड़ना, क्या बच्चों जैसी बातें कर रहा है, तो क्या लड़कियों की तरह बातें कर रहा है, वो बोलते हैं कि तू क्या इमोशनल बातें कर रहा है, all of that, you know, because मैं उनको हक करता हूँ, मैं किस करता हूँ तो embarrass हो जाते हैं. मैंने कहा पागल है क्या, मुझे भी पता है तू मुझे प्यार करता है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है? अबे मेरे को प्यार आ रहा है तो किस तो करूंगा ही ना. Oh, don't do this, यार, please don't embarrass me. क्यों? What embarrass क्यों? And I know he loves me equally. So anyway, तो करिश्मा का वो एक साइड था that she was so much into me, but I had so many women friends, so many female friends, and वो सारा टाइम काउंसलिंग चल रही है, ठीक है? So उसका बहुत टाइम उसमें चला भी जाता था. But she never stopped me. She did not care. She was never insecure. She didn't even bother कि वो मेरी friends कौन हैं, उनके साथ कॉफी पे जा रहा हूँ, डिनर पे जा रहा हूँ, लंच पे जा रहा हूँ. She never bothered about that. She was so comfortable and secure. I think she's my guru. Because now I'm like that. I don't care. I tell her, whatever makes you happy, you decide. I cannot decide what will make you happy. My job is to make sure that to help you and ideally, अब सब बोलते हैं शादी तो बहुत बेकार की चीज़ है, क्यों कर रहे हो, किसी की चल नहीं रही. अभी इंस्टीट्यूशन के ऊपर इसके ऊपर पूरा मतलब जो है वो they're just everybody's bad mouthing it. Whereas I feel it's a very smart arrangement. It's a very intelligent arrangement. The problem is the conditioning that that we all have you mess it up. Ideally, शादी क्या है, क्या होनी चाहिए, हम उसे कैसे देखते हैं? There दो लोग हैं, इन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी जी, मैंने अपनी जिंदगी. ये बचपन से लेके to become who I am today and who you to become who you are today, उसमें बहुत सारे लोगों का हाथ है. स्कूल का, टीचर्स का, पेरेंट्स का, फ्रेंड्स का, सोसाइटी का, उस टाइम की बिल्डिंग के, कॉलोनी के अंकल आंटी का, उनके बच्चों का. सो इतने सारे लोगों ने मिल के मुझे 20-21 साल में they've helped me become who I am, right? Same here. Now two people are coming together. There's something that attracts two people and they're together. Now, it has taken so much of effort of millions of people to help you become who you are. And same here. Now the idea is that we both walk and I help you be who you are and reach where you want to go and you help me do that. The problem is that I start becoming you, you start becoming me. I start telling you, because I don't like it like this, because I'm so attached and obsessed with you. So I keep telling you, don't do this, do it this way. You start thinking that, oh, I should do it this way. Eventually, you try to become me, I try to become you. We've lost the plot. And obviously, this won't work. Obviously, you'll say, बिल्कुल वो इंस्टीट्यूशन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. आपने उसको सही से चलाया नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम है. सही है ना? ट्रैफिक लाइट तो लगी हुई है ना, उसको अगर तोड़ के निकल जाओगे तो इट्स नॉट कि वो गवर्नमेंट में प्रॉब्लम है. गवर्नमेंट ने सिस्टम सही नहीं बनाए. हम हर चीज के लिए तो गवर्नमेंट को बोलते हैं गवर्नमेंट की गलती. गवर्नमेंट कौन है? आप और मैं ही तो है ना. कल कोई और था, कल मैं होऊंगा, तो मैं कल किसी को गाली दे रहा हूं, कल मुझे गाली पड़ेगी. अरे भैया, पहले अपना घर का कचरा तो ठीक से साफ करो. वो हो ही नहीं रहा. एंड यू एक्सपेक्ट द गवर्नमेंट टू कम एंड डू इट. सो यू गॉट टू बी सेंसिटिव ऑन सो मेनी. अच्छा, एक और कमाल की बात बताता हूं. आप किसी से पूछो कि क्या तू चोर है, मैं आपको बोलता आप चोर हो. नहीं बोला ना आपने, बोला ना आपने नहीं. एक्चुअली बहुत अगर आप डेप्थ में जाएंगे तो हमें कहीं रियलाइज होगा कि हाँ, कहीं ना कहीं हम सब थोड़े बहुत चोर तो हैं. डिनाइल में नहीं जीना. मैं नहीं जीऊंगा डिनाइल में. ये मेरी खुद से प्रॉमिस है. मैं डिनाइल में नहीं जीऊंगा. हाँ, कैसे? इधर फ्रेंड से बात कर रहा था, मैंने कहा यार थोड़ी बहुत चोरी तो कुछ लाइक अ
इंस्पिरेशन,
कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रही है. अरे यार ये चोर है, वो चोर है, ये चोर है, वो. मैंने कहा भाई तू कौन नहीं है, तू नहीं है क्या चोर? इसे मैं नहीं हूं. मैं कैसे चोर हूं? मैंने कहा चल मैं बताता हूं तू कैसे चोर है. मैंने कहा जब से पैदा हुआ है तूने, तेरे पापा ने और तेरे दादा ने क्या 100% ऑनेस्टली टैक्स भरा है गवर्नमेंट को? मैंने कहा सही बताना, झूठ मत बोलना. क्या तेरे सीए ने बोला नहीं कि यहां खर्चा दिखा, यहां खर्चा दिखा? बोले तो वो चोरी थोड़ी है. मैं समझाता हूं चोरी कैसे है. मैंने कहा भाई देयर इज अ वे द वर्ल्ड वर्क्स. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट इसलिए होती है कि ये जो पूरी जो हमारे देश है उसको चलाने के लिए एक मशीनरी है जो वर्क करेगी. ठीक है, जब आप कोई भी काम शुरू करते हैं उसके लिए आपको एक लाइसेंस लेना पड़ता है, तब आप जाके वो काम कर सकते हैं. उसके बिना नहीं कर सकते. नाउ दैट लाइसेंस इज एन एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन यू एंड द बॉडी हु इज गिविंग यू दैट लाइसेंस, दैट ओके हियर इट इज, जाओ करो, एंड वी आर 33% पार्टनर्स इन योर बिजनेस. दैट्स व्हाट tax is. Not tax, we look at it as tax, but it's actually a partnership with your government because they are giving you whatever you're using. हाँ बोलो, अरे जब उस वक्त तो साइन किया, बढ़िया काम शुरू हो गया, पैसा आना शुरू हो गया. नाउ यू लाइक अरे यार, तो रोड भी ठीक से नहीं बनाई, मैं क्यों दूं? इट्स नॉट अबाउट इन्होंने क्या ठीक से नहीं किया. It's something you've agreed that if you want to work in this country or any country, you have agreed on a document with the government that I will pay you 33% because हवा पानी जो लोग चल के आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं, ये सब चीजें यूज होंगी, ये गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड कर रही है. कितनी भी बुरी हालत में हो, आदमी पहुंच तो रहा है ना आपके ऑफिस तक. कैसे आ रहा है? उड़ के थोड़ी आ रहा है. उड़ के भी आएगा, उसमें भी गवर्नमेंट का हाथ लगेगा. उसके बिना भी नहीं हो सकता ना. तो कोई तो 33% का कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है, बट हम तो वो नहीं पे करते. सीएस हमको बोलते थे नहीं साहब ये कर लो, ये खर्चा दिखा दो, ये कर दो, ये कैसे कर लो. तो चोरी कैसे नहीं है? देखो यार, हम भी करते हैं, हमने भी, हर किसी ने कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो खर्चे दिखाए होंगे ना लाइफ में. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो यार चोरी तो है ही ना यार. सो इट इज वेरी सिंपल दैट अब ये नहीं कह सकते आप कि वो लेकिन वो बहुत बड़ा चोर है. ये क्या बात हुई भाई? चोर तो चोर है. तेरे को ये सही लग रहा है कि टैक्स बचाना चोरी नहीं है, तो तेरे को ये सही लग रहा है, उसको वो लग रहा है वो चोरी सही नहीं है. हु इज डिसाइडिंग कि पुलिस कौन है और गलत क्या है और ज्यादा गलत क्या है और उससे ज्यादा गलत क्या है? कौन डिसाइड कर रहा है? खुद ही को डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा ना. तो जब खुद डिसाइड करना है तो मैं आप पे कैसे कमेंट कर सकता हूं कि आप सही हो कि गलत हो, जब मुझे नहीं पता मैं सही हूं गलत हूं. I'll also give you an example. Like you ask a kid one question 4 times in his entire lifetime. आप पहला सवाल उससे 15 साल की उम्र में पूछो, कोई भी एक सवाल. फिर आप 30 साल की उम्र में पूछो, फिर आप 45 पे पूछो, फिर आप 60 पे पूछो. वो चारों सवालों के जवाब सेम कभी भी नहीं होंगे.
No chance.
राइट? आप कह रहे हो तो ये तो मोड़ लग गई, ठीक है. जब लेट्स से वो मैं ही हूं या लेट्स से वो आप ही हो, ठीक है. जब मुझे ही नहीं पता कि मैं 15 साल बाद क्या होने वाला हूं और क्या जवाब दूंगा, तो मैं तेरे को पूरी जिंदगी का कमिटमेंट कैसे दे सकता हूं कि मैं शादी में ये नहीं करूंगा, वो नहीं करूंगा. ये तो पूरा झूठ है, सिस्टम ही झूठ है. और वो जो मंत्र, जो एक शादी में गया मैं, पंडित जी ने बहुत सारे मंत्र पढ़ दिए जो पढ़ते ही हैं. शादी हो गई, उसका लंच कर रहे थे, मैं जाकर उनके पास बैठ गया. मुझे मजा आता है, एंटरटेनमेंट. मैंने कहा पंडित जी, ये जो आपने मंत्र, क्या मजेदार आपने बातें बताई कि तू ये करेगा तो वो करेगा, और आपने कस्में खिलाई. मैंने कहा यार आपको पता नहीं है कि ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. अरे कैसे पॉसिबल नहीं है? मैंने कहा पंडित जी देखो, आप भगवान की कसम खा के बता दो कि जो बात आपने चीजें जो आपने उनको बोली है कि आपने वो करी है, उसमें से आपने कोई वो सारी चीजें आपने उसमें से 100% निभाया, पॉसिबल है. तो वो उनको हंसी आ गई. मैंने कहा आ गई ना सर हंसी. मैंने कहा जब आपको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है कि ये जो कस्में हम खा रहे हैं एक दूसरे की, ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे ही नहीं पता कि मैं कल क्या करूंगा, तो मैं तेरे से क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करूं कि तू मेरे को कमिट करके कल तू क्या करेगा. ये कितनी सिंपल चीज है, लेकिन ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगती है, क्योंकि हम पहली बात तो मानने को तैयार नहीं है. हम डिनाइल में जी रहे हैं, और कोई बताता है तो हम डर जाते हैं, बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू वर्क ऑन इट. आई हैव वर्कड ऑन इट. फ्रॉम अ possessive man today, I'm a liberal person. I have worked on it, and it was tough to let your people that you love to do what they want, and if it's hurting you because you want them to do it just with you, or you just want to be with them, it's tough. But you're just so scared to go and try it and do it. If you don't do it, how will you change? What's the purpose of life? It's not about earning money, or it's not about you raising a kid. ये तो क्योंकि आए हैं तो कर रहे हैं, बट हम आए क्यों हैं, पहले तो वो ढूंढने की जरूरत है ना. तो वो ढूंढने की जरूरत है भैया कि मेरे सबसे पहले मैं आया हूं तो मुझे मेरी कमियां पता चलें, और पता चलेंगी तो उन पे काम करना है. दैट्स द पर्पस. And whatever I have worked on today, now you can't make me feel possessive anymore. And this is my soul journey. It's not कि मैं कल मर जाऊंगा तो नेक्स्ट जन्म में फिर मैं I understand that. कि what I'm doing to my soul now, it's going to go with me. क्योंकि अगर म्यूजिक मैंने सीखा नहीं बहुत ज्यादा, और आज मैं अगर हमारे थ्रू भगवान ने हरमी तो मेरे थ्रू इतने बड़े ब्लॉकबस्टर्स गाने दिए, तो ये पुराना तो सीखा हुआ होगा ना. तो सोल जर्नी में तो मैं सीख के जा रहा हूं. तो मेरी सोल जर्नी में मैंने फ्रॉम अ इनसिक्योर पोजेसिव पर्सन, आई बिकम दिस कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन दैट इट्स अबाउट मी माई सेल्फ, एंड आई कैन नॉट बी एक्सपेक्टिंग. एंड इफ आई एक्सपेक्ट, इफ दे डोंट मीट, आई कांट बी crying or cribbing or creating a havoc in the other person's life, because I wanted you to live life the way I like it. It doesn't work like that. It never will. It never has, and we need to understand that.
So what are the 3 kasmes that you actually live by in your marriage? What is it that keeps you and Karishma together the way it does?
I think number 1 is friendship. अगर दोस्त नहीं बने ना तो ये चलेगी नहीं, क्योंकि एक्चुअली शादी 2 दोस्तों के साथ जर्नी का एक अफेयर है. बिकॉज पहले तो दोस्ती होती है ना, इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम दैट. सो टेक्निकली तो दोस्ती से शुरुआत हुई है. उसके बाद वो लेयर्स ऐड होंगी, क्योंकि वो दुनिया की बनाई हुई लेयर्स हैं, वो आपकी बनाई हुई नहीं है कि ऐसा होगा, पेरेंट्स की एक्सपेक्टेशन, उसके पेरेंट्स की शादी में ऐसा होगा, वो ऐसा होगा. ऑल दैट कीप्स एडिंग ऑन, राइट? बट द वेरी फर्स्ट अग्रीमेंट फ्रॉम brain to brain, I won't say heart to heart, was that you and I, we're friends.
Yeah.
We love doing stuff together.
Yeah.
We love going, initially in every relationship, what is it that you start with? You want to go out for meals. You want to have endless conversations. You don't want to sleep, you want to keep talking. You want to travel together. It's so exciting. दोनों कहीं चलते हैं अकेले. Why? You want to explore together. So ये तो 2 दोस्तों की कहानी हो रही है ना. उसमें obviously एक romance or love, and it's you feeling more than just that. But the basic arrangement, understanding is friendship. So that's number 1.
What's number 2?
Most important, I think, is that you need to understand that your life is very important to you, and I need to respect that. That respect of you wanting something from your life which may not have anything to do with me is the most important thing we need to respect. And this I learned from Karishma. She doesn't make everything about her. She doesn't do that. She's never done it, and that's how I've learned it. हम हर जगह ऐसे ही करते हैं कि आपकी शादी चल रही है, आप आपने अपने आपके बच्चे की शादी है, आपने भैया महीना लगा के इतनी तैयारियां करी हैं, 100 कार्ड छापे, लोगों को बुलाया, उसमें से कोई एक चाचा मामा मौसी कोई आएंगे, उनको लगा कि यार ये इन्होंने इस फोटो में मुझे नहीं बुलाया, एंड यू मेक इट अबाउट योरसेल्फ, यू क्रिएट अ सीन देयर, एंड नाउ सडनली दिस marriage which was about your child and your family suddenly become Masi's problem. She's made it about herself. So this is something we need to stop doing. And marriage में तो कर ही नहीं सकते आप, कर ही नहीं सकते, because you want something, you are going through something. I cannot attach and honestly हम एक और चीज है that advice वहीं दो जहाँ जरूरत है. That's very important. हम तो सारे हिंदुस्तानी स्पेशली हम सारे एक बहुत क्वालिफाइड डॉक्टर्स हैं, हम बहुत ही अव्वल दर्जे के लॉयर्स हैं, हम ज्ञानी हैं, हम स्पिरिचुअल लीडर्स हैं, हम सारे न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट भी हैं, हमें सब पता है क्या खाना है क्या नहीं, और घरेलू नुस्खे में तो हम सब नानी हैं. अगर आप यू ट्रैवलिंग इन अ ट्रेन और इन अ फ्लाइट, यू सिटिंग समवेयर, आप एक सवाल सिर्फ बोलो, तो मेरे यहाँ दर्द हो रहा है, तो मैं तो बहुत बार करता हूँ, बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, मैं बैठ जाता हूँ, उसके बाद बात बड़ा मजा आता है यार सब और ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं, हमारे कहा अरे भाई बात, अच्छा उसको जब दर्द होगा वो फिर खुद अपना इलाज नहीं कर पाएगा, वो आपके पास आएगा, ये दर्द हो रहा है. That's how it is, right?
Yes.
So मैं ऐसी मस्तियां करता रहता हूँ कि आप just बोर हो रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, तो कोई ऐसा टॉपिक छोड़ दो कि 4 चौधरी वहाँ चालू हो जाएंगे और फिर आप मजे लो, पर उसमें कुछ ऐसी बातें आती हैं जो पर्सपेक्टिव बड़े सही लगते हैं. So some is entertainment, some is learning, some is something that you want to take back with you, and some, which is the most important thing in life, is learning what not to do. वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. और मैं इतने सारे सवाल जो उठा रहा हूँ ना, ये सिर्फ मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है, मैं किसी को कुछ नहीं कह रहा, मुझे ऐसा दिखता है, मुझे लगता है कि मेरे आसपास जो मैं चीज़ें देख रहा हूँ, मेरे को लगता है कि वो बेटर हो सकती हैं. इसलिए फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे अब जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, आई फील दैट ये एक्चुअली सारी प्रॉब्लम शुरू कहाँ से हो रही है, कहाँ ये जितनी भी चीज़ें जो मेरे को जो लग रहा है कि प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स मतलब I see they could be in a different way, or the perspective could be different. I think it starts from the base of a child, which is a school. हम क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं स्कूल्स में, हमें क्या पढ़ाना चाहिए, सबसे ज्यादा वो कौन सी विद्या है जो लोगों को हेल्प करेगी, जो मुझे एक ऐसा इंसान बनाएगी कि मैं, it may be any sphere of my life, it could be anything, I'll be excelling at each one of it and killing it. What is that? Like for example, you, why is it that I see on your stories that people love you so much? They feel that if they're around you, they feel good, they feel secure. Because आपने मास्टरी करी इमोशंस के ऊपर, आपने मास्टरी करी टू अंडरस्टैंड, टू सी थिंग्स क्लियरली कि क्या इमोशंस कैसे मूव हो रहे हैं, कैसे कंट्रोल करना है. ये तो हमको स्कूल में सिखाना चाहिए ना, इसके ऊपर चैप्टर होना चाहिए ना, एंड हर बच्चे का एक स्कूल में साइकोलॉजिस्ट होना चाहिए ना. दैट्स व्हाट यू कॉल इट, या होना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि इमोशंस basically emotional intelligence is something which is the most important intelligence out of everything else. Isn't that right?
That's right.
So if thankfully I had it, but if you've taught your kid that emotions को कैसे control करना है, because वो तो हर जगह help करेगा, yeah, whether कल मैं काम करूँगा या मेरा relationship होगा, or whether I'm working with somebody, for somebody, somebody's working for me, everything is going to be working with other people. So emotions are going to be the most important factor. History, geography, मुझे क्या करना, अकबर और शाहजहां कौन थे यार, मेरे को क्या मतलब है उससे, वो तो अब मेरे को फोन पे 2 सेकंड में आज पता चल जाता है ना, उससे बहुत ज्यादा पता चल जाता है. वो ऐसी क्या चीज है जो ना चैट जीपीटी आपको पढ़ा पाएगा, ना एआई आपको सिखा पाएगा, ना दुनिया का कोई भी विद्वान आपको सिखा पाएगा. वो क्या चीज है? वो सिर्फ इमोशंस के ऊपर कंट्रोल, इमोशंस को अपने दिमाग को अपने हिसाब से चलाना, दिमाग के हिसाब से नहीं चलना. ये आपको कोई एआई नहीं सिखा सकता. ये एक अच्छा गुरु सिखा सकता है, या वो सिखा सकता है जिसको पता है कैसे सिखाना है, which obviously is a teacher or a guru. Then I know आप सदगुरु के इतने फैन क्यों? Because I know that you relate to what he says, because he's a practical guy. I've worked with him. We've recorded, we recorded a song, and we made him sing, and I spent some crazy time with him, and I realized that he's a different man. That's because वो इंद्री खुलती है ना जब आपको सब कुछ सही दिखने लगता है. That's the gift. But I personally feel that, let's say that you had to write a curriculum, a basic curriculum for every child, and you create a community of people like you. You know, you obviously find people who probably understand things even on a higher level. They probably know how to put it even in a better perspective. Why nobody is working on creating a curriculum which should be compulsory in every school? When we go to schools, we have a music academy which is teaching in 25, 30 schools now. So I realized that obviously they're very progressive. If the directors and the principals are progressive, so they want Meet Bros Music Academy to come and teach the best of the music, right? But somewhere we all need to understand that there needs to be a very strong curriculum on spirituality, on basic, emotional intelligence. जब नींव सही पड़ेगी ना, तो सब कुछ अपने आप will fall in place.
I agree. बहुत बार मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि हम सबके पास स्किल्स हैं, हम सबके पास there are multiple good teachers, there are multiple good musicians, there are multiple good restaurants. लेकिन लोगों को उन लोगों के साथ काम करना है जिनके साथ उनकी बनती है. और बनती कैसे है when two people are emotionally intelligent towards each other.
Yeah, like-minded, yeah. Yeah, that's true.
One last thing before we close, Manmeet. It is impossible that you may not have had low moments in the career that you are in. ऐसा कभी कुछ तो हुआ होगा where you felt like ये नहीं होने वाला, or everything is shattering, or everything is breaking down, or this is taking too long. In those moments of vulnerability, what did you tell yourself? ताकि हमारे जो दूसरे लोग हैं जो जूझ रहे हैं, who only see darkness in the tunnel, who can't see the light, tell them how to come out.
So, do you have a pen?
Yes.
Can we get a pen?
Yes.
Oh, that's fine. No, that's okay.
Ah.
Okay. So what do you see here?
Full circle.
Right?
Yeah.
Now that's the thing. What I see here is a white blank paper.
White blank paper.
That's the thing. Whenever you show this to anybody, he'll only look at this. He'll miss out on the white paper. Because you also see a white paper here.
That's right.
Yeah. So this is my basic learning of life, and I stick to it, that I'm only seeing the paper. One small, let's say that a project which I realized, or a song that I thought should, so many times it happened that we thought that this is a very big deal that we're going to crack, and last minute it didn't happen. You wonder, and I think believe me, it takes me not more than 20 minutes to get over it. Because I'm like, okay, he's taking the call. So it's always about this. This is God, the white paper.
The white paper is God.
It's God.
It's lovely.
So if you're always looking at the white paper, and you'll realize that there'll be so many of these, but it's about this. So this, I think, is something that I learned, and it helps me, and it doesn't matter, because my objective is not, one project will not decide who I am. One song not working will not decide who I am, nor will a baby doll decide who I am. To people, I may be a baby doll, but to me, I'm a person who loves family, loves friends, loves cricket, food, cooking, traveling. I mean, whatever I do, I just love spending time the way that makes me happy. And that's far more important than one baby doll or one probably any relationship that didn't work. It doesn't matter.
Life is so much more than the failure that you're focusing on.
Obviously, yeah.
And you give yourself 20 minutes to grieve, you said.
Max.
I get over it in 20 minutes.
Max.
But 20 minutes you can complain to God about it.
20 minutes is the upper limit. Upper limit. And sometimes, very rarely, Karishma says ki something is disturbing you. And mostly, whenever it has happened, it has been about, humans not treating me well. So that disturbs me. But then I tell myself that it's still learning. Still down there. So you forgive and you move on. I swear to God. I swear to God. If you ask me that anybody you don't like in this world, or, I don't know. Even the girls who dumped me, I love them.
There is a reason why I said that this man can be every woman's soulmate. Now you get it. If you give Manmeet and me a glass of wine, this can become a Big Boss episode. we can talk for 24 hours
And
non-stop.
a lot of them there must be hating me because they love to, they love to hear you talk. And today you're listening. So this is my moment. Let me enjoy, please. It's Kavya listening to me. It's a big moment for me.
It is a rare privilege for me as well. Thank you so much for coming on board with us. And at Full Circle, we're only trying to bring in people, Manmeet, who have experienced coming full circle in life. आपको कोई भी एक ऐसा moment याद है या जब आपको लगता है that yeah, at this point my life came full circle?
I think it happens a lot. It happens. I feel that all the time. I mean, I can't recollect like that, but mostly when I think I was telling you about mom, right?
Yeah.
Mom was the most compassionate person that I've ever met with me also. और उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे सिखाई हैं which I learned from her, how to just be cool and be patient with life. And it was more like a payback thing that I'm talking about. And recently, it happens that when my father left us and she was alone, and eventually she had the courage she just met somebody and she liked somebody and she was like, that I don't know what to do. I'm like, what's so beautiful?
She found love again.
Yeah, and
Wow.
and we were like, what's so complicated in that? And she's like, no, you know how society is, and all that. And लोग क्या कहेंगे? मैंने, कौन है वो लोग? आप और मैं ही हैं वो लोग. हम जो decide करेंगे वही लोग कहेंगे. It doesn't matter लोग क्या कहेंगे. Let's think about आपको खुशी किस चीज़ से मिलती है. Let's think about that. And trust me, some people may not agree with it. They must be like, they may feel whatever they feel, but eventually, a lot of them will find inspiration in what you do because you have the courage to go and find your happiness. And that's when I feel life takes a full circle and you pay back and you feel that, okay, fine. जो सीखा था आज वही उल्टा उसी इंसान को सिखाना पड़ रहा है. You don't let them forget what they taught you.
This is truly full circle. That she supported you in your relationships and you're supporting her in hers.
Absolutely.
That is
And we all should do it.
fantastic.
We all should do it. We should love our parents
is
and
fantastic.
help them find somebody. If you've lost one of your parents, we should help them find, because loneliness is the worst thing that can happen to somebody.
And it gets lonelier as we age, doesn't
I won't get lonely for me because I love too many things.
it? Yes, that's true. But thank you for being on our podcast, and I'm going to bring you back for sure because इतने सारे questions आने वाले हैं, इतने सारे requests आने वाले हैं. There are going to be so many viral moments from everything that you have said about marriage, and I'm telling you,
I don't mean to
and
offend
Karishma-
anybody. These are my perspectives. I'm not preaching.
No, they are beautiful perspectives, and they are. We must follow them.
मुझे डर लगता है before I sign off. A lot of times when I see a lot of gurus who they have the courage to say कि इसको ऐसे करोगे तो ऐसा होगा, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए, और इसको वो, मुझे डर लगता है कि इतनी अथॉरिटी से मैं अगर, क्योंकि हर इंसान की जिंदगी अलग है. What may work for you may not work for them.
Yes.
But so I never want to say, like, even if I'm sure about something, I want to say कि this is how my perspective,
That's
और ये मेरे लिए work कर रहा है. So I cannot say कि आप ऐसे करोगे तो सबको ऐसे करना चाहिए, ऐसे करना चाहिए.
Feel free to use
Feel
it,
free to use
but
it.
that's it.
Yeah. Disclaimer है कि ये मैं, this is my life, this is how I look at it, this is my perspective. You don't have to like it, you don't have to not like it. It's got nothing to do with you.
That's right. It's fantastic. We are going to come back with so much more of so many wonderful people who have lived life a full circle only so that you can draw inspiration from them. And we are here to assist you in your journey of mental health.